Hi, friends. Good morning. Hello, bloggers. I wanted to pop on here really quick to tell everybody about the Coach-Ela blogging festival. So it's happening next week. And I'm a presenter there. So you can join me there to see my presentation, blog post repurposing like a boss, and get tons of free bonuses from other presenters. So there are 17 presenters at this bad boy. That's so many. It's going to be lit. I am super stoked. And each presenter has prepared a freebie for anybody who joins the Coach-Ela fun, and it's free. So why not? Blogging festival. So let's take a looky-loo here real quick. Okay, so here's the deets, friends. The Coach-Ela Festival is being hosted by Blogging Breakthroughs. That's Faith Mariah. She's my blogging coach. And it is free to sign up. It is free to attend. And then there are all of these awesome freebies. So you can see there are tons of presenters, and each one has offered up a super awesome bonus. My super awesome bonus is the Easy Peasy blog post repurposing handbook. So it is over 20 pages of super time-saving repurposing ideas for your blog posts. And then you can watch the companion workshop to this live during Coach-Ela. So I will be presenting on Saturday morning. Well, Saturday morning on the West Coast. It'll be at noon on the East Coast. So it's 9 a.m. Saturday, May 29th, Pacific Standard Time. So 11 a.m. Central and 12 p.m. Eastern, because that's how time zones work. And I'm super stoked. It's going to be awesome. I will be popping on here throughout the week to remind you guys. I'm going to start exploring some of these awesome freebies with you. So I'll pop on here and I'll sort of explore the Easy Peasy blog post repurposing handbook with you guys. Again, it's a freebie. Go get it. Link is in the description. But there are so many other cool freebies. This one is from Cora Lynn. She is a social media badass, and you can grab her free masterclass, How to Get Over Your Fear of Showing Up on Social Media. Here we have 3 types of content you need right now and how to make them work hard for your blog. We have tons and tons of free, awesome content, and I'm super stoked to share this with you all. So meet me there. Don't be square. Meet me at Coach-Ela and learn how to repurpose those blog posts like the badass that you are. All right, friends, I will see you soon. Bye.